Bang. Woo. Yeah. T.O.K.
Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with it? Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with it?
Make natty shook, 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 all over the place. I said, come on, baby, when the music's playing, I wanna see you dance, dance, dance. Come on, baby.
Say when the music's playing, I wanna see you dance. Get up and dance, move, yeah, move, yeah, move, yeah, move, yeah. Come on, baby, let me show you what a man can do. Music, oh yeah, it's suited to my soul. Moving on and on and on. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with it? Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with it? Let's give love a try. Let love control your destiny. We owe it to ourselves, yes we do, to live happy eternally. That's what we're searching for.
And love, true love is what we're looking for.
So now that I got it right here in my hand, I'm gonna spread it all over the land now. Now that we found love, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do with it? Now that we found love, what are we gonna do?
Remember when we never used to know we love them? Now we have love, yeah, so there's always so everywhere. And we ain't gonna hide it like we did yesterday. Music is the channel we choose. Love is the drug we abuse. Reggae dance, all I play this on a rhythm and blues. It get everybody dancing out of them shoes. Skinny she a wine and a pose. Fatty she a dance and a sweat up her clothes. Enough love we have just a bubble in our soul. Bust it from north to south pole.
Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with it? Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with it?
L.O.V. Loving on me heart in a million. Me I go spread it to the world to a billion. Sing love, I'm a religion. True love, I'm a religion. Black, white, Chinese and the Indian. The American to the North Korean. Sing love, I'm a religion. True love, I'm a religion. And this is my humble opinion. Every man have the right to rule them dominion. But hate is a thing when me know the pan. Reggae ambassadors from the third world land. Straight from the Caribbean, Japan, Iran to the Syrian. Love, I'm a religion. True love, I'm a religion. Sing!
Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with it? Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with it? Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with it? Now that we found love, what are we gonna do with it?
Reality, and I have to thank Third World, and I have to say this is a special tribute, especially to Bunny Roach. So, Reggae T, T.O.K, Third World, kindly come to the front of the stage. We'd like to present to you
Coming up, sir.
from the festival, the Blue Mountain Music Festival Lifetime Achievement Award presented to Third World in recognition of your outstanding contribution to the reggae industry.
Give thanks and praise. We love you very much.